In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video on TikTok. That is so simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up a TikTok, and here if we record some video, let's do that. Here we don't get an option to crop that video, to trim it from the beginning or from the end. So here is a decision for you what to do in that situation. You need to use your regular iPhone camera and first make a video on that camera. So I tap on camera, I record some video, stop recording, and then I open my TikTok application and use that just created video. I open up my gallery, select the last file, that's my video, tap next, and here at the right I see adjust clips icon. I tap on that, and now I can trim that video from the start and from the end. So let me trim video like that, and then I just tap on save button, and this video is already trimmed. And now I can continue creating this video as I normally do. I can add here text, effects, some stickers, and then share this video to my TikTok feed. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.